The basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship. GM. The metacentric height, which is the distance between the center of gravity and the metacenter. Positive GM. The ship is stable and will return to an upright position after tilting. 0 GM. The ship is neutrally stable and may remain at the angle it was tilted to. Negative GM. The ship is unstable and will capsize if tilted. KG. The height of the center of gravity from the keel. Significance. KG is determined by the distribution of weight on the ship. Example, cargo, fuel, and equipment. A lower kg closer to the keel improves stability, while a higher kg reduces stability and can lead to capsizing. KM. The height of the metacenter from the keel, or the vertical distance from the keel to the metacenter, which is the point where the buoyant force acts when the ship tilts slightly. KB. The height of the center of buoyancy from the keel, which is point where the upward force where force acts.
BM. Metacenter reduces the vertical distance between the center of buoyancy and the metacenter. Significance of BM. BM is influenced by the house shape and size. A large BM contributes to good stability, but if BM is too large, it can cause excessive rolling, leading to discomfort or cargo damage. GZ. The righting lever, which is the horizontal distance between the forces of weight and volume. B. The center of buoyancy. M. The metacenter. And G. The center of gravity.
The metacentric height is a measurement of a ship's initial stability. A higher GM value indicates better initial stability. Initial stability is the resistance of a ship to small changes in the difference between the vertical forces and applied on its two sides.
A ship's stability is its ability to remain balanced and resist force that causes it is to roll, pitch, or yaw. A stability ship returns to its original position after being disturbed by waves or wind. Factors affecting stability is a base of support, center of gravity, mass, and line or gravity.